Welcome to the study guide video for Microsoft PowerPoint Chapter 4. Please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Imagine having the power to streamline data with just a click. And when adjustments are needed, the clear filter button on a slicer wipes the slate clean, making it effortless to start anew. So, slicers not only refine data but also make our analysis visually comprehensible. Now, let's dive deeper into the dynamic duo of data analysis: pivot tables and pivot charts. Imagine you have a vast sea of data and you need to find meaningful trends and summaries quickly. Here's where pivot tables come into play. These interactive tools are designed to summarize and analyze large data sets, allowing you to extract useful information out of raw data chaos. Whether the data comes from an Excel worksheet, an Access database, or even an external source, pivot tables handle it with ease. Navigating through the pivot table fields pane is like being a conductor of an orchestra. In the fields section at the top, you select which data fields to play with, akin to choosing your instruments. Below that, in the layout section, you arrange these fields to orchestrate your data presentation, deciding how and where to summarize the data. Transitioning to pivot charts, these are not just any charts. They graphically display the data you've organized in your pivot table, showing data series, categories, and markers just like standard charts. However, their true power lies in their direct link to the pivot table, ensuring that any data change dynamically updates the chart. With pivot tables and pivot charts, turning complex data into insightful visuals becomes a breeze. To truly harness the power of Excel, understanding the data model and advanced filtering options is essential. Let's dive into the data model first. Think of it as the backbone that supports data from multiple sources, integrating them into a single, cohesive framework within Excel. This allows you to manage and analyze related data across various tables without redundancy. To populate the data model, you use the Get Data command. This powerful feature can pull data from an Excel workbook, an Access database, or even from external sources like corporate databases or public data feeds. Once the data is imported, the next step is to establish relationships between these tables. Creating these relationships is crucial as it enables Excel to seamlessly aggregate and dissect data across different tables, providing deeper insights and more robust data analysis. Now, let's shift gears to advanced filtering, which enhances how you view and manipulate this integrated data. Pivot charts, for instance, include field buttons. These buttons are tiny gatekeepers that allow you to dynamically change the data displayed by simply selecting different filters. This means you can adjust what you see on the fly without diving back into the data set to make changes manually. In the realm of pivot tables, the filters area in the pivot table fields pane is your strategic tool. Here, you can position fields by which you want to filter your report, enabling you to focus on specific subsets of data. This targeted approach in data display ensures that you only see what's relevant for your analysis. Mastering these advanced tools not only streamlines your workflow, but also elevates your analytical capabilities. Let's recap the powerful PowerPoint features we've explored today. PowerPoint stands as a formidable ally, equipped with tools like slicers, pivot tables, pivot charts, and an integrated data model. Slicers enhance your ability to swiftly navigate through substantial data sets by filtering the data in an intuitive manner. This allows you to focus on relevant data points without getting lost in the noise. Then, there are pivot tables and pivot charts, the dynamic duo of data summarization and visualization. Pivot tables allow you to organize and analyze your data across various dimensions, making complex data sets comprehensible at a glance. Pivot charts extend this capability by graphically representing these analyses, providing clear and impactful visualizations of trends and patterns. The data model brings it all together by enabling the integration of data from multiple sources, fostering a more comprehensive view of information. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you are unable to do that, you will need to log in. Creating a YouTube account is free and takes less than a minute. Thanks again, and have a wonderful day.